In this video, we're going to show you how to make somebody into an admin on your Minecraft server for any hosting provider. So for this case, we're going to use Scala Cube. So the first step is to go to scalacube.com or to any server provider that you're using and log into your account. Once logged in, go to servers and click on manage server. Click manage again. Locate the become admin tab on the left side and enter it. Right, so we are now in the tab to grant users administrative access known as operator. Do keep in mind that a user has to be online and in-game with their username is added to the list to make sure it takes full effect. And when you are logged in, enter your Minecraft username in the field and click give admin access, then wait for the process to finish. And you are now an admin and can access all the commands an operator can use on the Minecraft server. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.